These people. But are you hungry? My body, my choice. Period. A nice mirror right here. I'm gonna go bazaar. So we're gonna go bazaar. The big ass supermarket. Look for some bun and cheese. But today, a Good Friday. So yeah, I always say last minute to buy bun and cheese. But honestly, I don't like, the bun with too much raisin in it. So I go for me want the national bun we have. I want the national bun. The national bun tastes good to me. That flag though. Ooh. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, you know he wants to hide you to me. How about?
I still with the big supermarket on it. Let me go look for what do you got seafood over there? That's why we did it. So is that I put it out here. Let's see what he get me. Watermelon. Yeah, crab look better, y'all. I just come here and buy cabbage in a minute. Crab leg. This is not even worth it. Here's the other crab. I think it's bunking. Where they don't have the lobster? I'm not buying it right now, though. I just came over to look. Show you. Fish. What is it? Poker? Catfish? I never had catfish. Is this catfish? I don't know which one's catfish. I never had it. I don't even know how it looks. Tell me about it. Can't be bothered. Can't be with me. I got fruits. Sorry. Good fishes. They're 99 a pound. Yellowtail. These prices is too high. Too high. What is salmon? That's organic. Oh, yellow on tuna steak. Never had that. Monday. Look at this. What else today?
Bueno, me avisa.
Who began to do that? No, but it smell. Kiwis. Kamu udah benteng au. Goleng pas bon. Not worth it. Inviting. That's a weird flavor. You don't need a pipe today, yeah? Oh, never tried before. Oh, there's another oyster. Yeah, can I have this now? Oh. I never had this one. I'm gonna try this one. I don't fancy it, to be honest, so I'm gonna try it. People, what are you doing? Look at people open something. It's kind of hard. Yeah, full fit. I didn't see this. Look at my, oh, look at that phone. That phone shit. Look fine. I don't even want to try this. I don't know. Maybe they're getting our breast chips. The different brands of acne for me. What's the? Two. Ooh. This is not a bad price at all. I think I'm gonna have this. Oh, on the wings. Look at this. Alright, I'm out. I think I'm gonna get my meat in this is. This is expensive for me. Listen, it's about expensive meat, you know. If I can go somewhere else and get it for cheaper, I will. I don't care what nobody wants to say. Alright? Yeah. But I'm hungry.
Where did you find the national bun?
I don't know what aisle, but I think it's
The first one?
or the second one. I don't know what aisle it is.
I didn't see that one. And the small cheese was there too.
I know it's in the separate aisle. I think it was the cheese was in this aisle and the bun is in the next aisle. Two separate aisles. Just to the supermarket, and then I'm going to my favorite store. I'll go home because I don't feel like stopping and taking up the train. Not doing it.
Segundo misterio, Jesús es...
Look cute. Aww. Is that somebody laying there?
Nosotros perdonamos a los que nos ofenden. Todas las mujeres y bendito es el fruto de tu vientre Jesús.
Oh yeah, I better keep my steps. Hold on. The top blocks off the whole block. I'm like, what is going on?
No fue solo doloroso, sino humillante. Dios te salve María, llena eres de gracia.
Happy Easter, people. Happy Easter. Let's come on here. I used to go to Dollar Tree and I buy one can open and I forget. And I spend like, oh come on, why is it not moving? But it's opening up. Why is not? Ah, there you go. Come on, baby, let's do this. Don't waste my time. Girl, hungry. I need to go get some fish tomorrow. I couldn't stop another place today. I was tired. Like, and I was not buying them fish in the supermarket. I'm gonna go to Canarsie where I really get the affordable fish over here. Ooh, my cheese open, yeah. Thank you. Thank you, God. Yeah, girl. See there. Oh gosh, tasty, smells so good. Alright, gotta be careful now. And rip this off. Wait, why I feel like it's not? That part is right here is not cut properly. That's something not come off. Okay, we can't twist it. Can I twist it? I'm trying to take that part off. What I give you problems? You don't have to cut me. See, look, it's not trying to come off. Cause I was poking it with a knife. That's why it messed up me trying to take it off. You know what I'm gonna do? Me, I gonna cut it. Me don't have time for this. That's what me I gonna do. I gonna cut it. Cause I don't have time for that. There you go, and then you got one stuff. And then you cover it up, yeah, girl. Me have bun and cheese. Oh, why not cover? So we gonna cut this. Listen, we're gonna finish by Sunday for me. We're gonna add a bun. I might eat this whole weekend up to whenever I finish. You know what? I'm gonna make a thumbnail. National bun, the best bun for me. Look how is it? This is how it's, you know, sealed. That's why it's still. Yeah. I like bun with raisin, but not too much raisin, you know? Like, yeah, like simple bun. This one can't eat. Like golden crust, you can't eat that one. You can't eat that one there. Golden crust bun, you ain't do too much. That's my opinion though. Whatever, if you don't like it, don't like it. But I know we have struggle for opening something here. Come here, look. Me have then I one part we can just open it so. And I say open. I made this last year. I don't remember what we didn't do. God. Hello, let's go cut it. We don't have time. We don't have time. I don't have time. I'm just gonna put it in a Ziploc bag after because your girl don't have time. When you're hungry I kill you, you don't have time to figure out nothing, yeah? I don't want to really cut it something because I don't want to wash my hand take the box. I don't want to wash my hand before I put the bun itself. I'm just going to get this open. Alright, so I'm going to cut some pieces of banana and cheese, yeah girl. That box, don't touch it for the counter. That was slanted. What is it slanted? People, me really upset my mother there right now. Like, I buy one banana cheese for you too. Should I have our own banana cheese? And this upset me. Back in our box. again. Gonna cut the cheese. You must really feel dirty to chew. Like, and this is how I am. I'm kind of OCD. Not to the extreme, but look at it. Wash my hand enough time in the kitchen. Enough time. If I deal with food, I wash my hand so many times because I don't like the feeling of dirt on my hand. Oh, not any TV, I roll in my watch. I just want to pan blind date. He said, hey, what are you doing here? I cut you right? No, if you say but I can look at him. Wash my hand again. Make up properly, whatever. Listen. You cut kind of thick. I'm about to cut it thin. Cut it thin. Just can't fill up your bun. I'm gonna bring pizza to Kimani. Kimani eat it before with this. Last year, I didn't take it last year. I didn't give it last year, but he eat it before. But yeah, okay. See, it's my first one here. So your cheese look funny. I want to drop off. Okay. Crunchy. Alright. So see there, and you know all the ingredients of slang. Listen, let me tell you, I don't know if you eat banana cheese, right? Remember we eat the banana cheese down here? Alright. Take this a bun. Ginger beer because it was $1. Oh, Lord. I'm not using these. Don't play with me now. So. I think it's my first time trying this one. I never tried this one before. I should be in my room right now, but I'm gonna watch the dishes, so that's one right here. This combination is so good. Whoever come up with this combination, best thing ever invented. Cause my mom was here so bad, I swear. Alright, so I'm gonna break this off. Buck it off. That really? This really? It's strong. This is so good. What's your guys' favorite bun? I love national bun. We need to get somebody back. Oh gosh. That was good. Hope you're having a good Easter. Enjoying the bun and cheese and fish. I think I'm gonna get fish tomorrow. I'm not sure. Listen, God no, me didn't want to do it the party. Sorry. If Ginger, you don't do that to you, something wrong. But happy Easter, happy Good Friday, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, people.